Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a brand new 2019 Kia Sorento EX V6 in titanium. Starting at the front here, this vehicle comes equipped with automatic projection headlights, bar-type LED positioning lights, and fog lights, as well as a stylish gloss grille with chrome trim and a sound-reducing windshield. Moving on, we have 18-inch machined finish alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes and high-performance shocks. This model also includes power-heated side view mirrors with signal repeaters and chrome door handles, as well as roof rails and deep privacy tint glass. Moving on toward the rear now, this model has a 5,000-pound towing capacity and comes with a heated rear window, a rear window wiper, and trailer light pre-wiring. Some of the safety features on this vehicle include electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, hill assist control, and impact sensing door unlock, along with blind spot detection and rear cross traffic alert. Heading inside now, the Sorento has a beautiful leather interior with folding second and third row seats, along with rear climate ventilation and a 6-speaker sound system. Looking toward the front now, this vehicle comes equipped with power windows and locks, heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, as well as steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls and a 14-way power driver's seat with 4-way lumbar support. This model also features Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, along with both USB and auxiliary input ports, and a rear view camera with a 7-inch display. Some other great features include a wireless charging pad, drive mode select, and dual zone automatic climate control with an automatic defog system. Heading under the hood now, this vehicle comes with a 3.3 liter V6 GDI engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission.